It's built to make you extraordinarily productive. Cursor is the best way to code with AI. You can download it for your Windows and you can download it for other stuff, other PCs. So here it is, trusted by a lot of, you can see a lot of engineers at these particular places also. So what Cursor lets you do is that it lets you breeze through changes by predicting your next edits. As you can see here, so it knows your code base, get answers from your code base or refer to files or docs. Use the model's code in one click. You can see it's all about coding. You can see if someone asking a question, getting an answer, it's just doing it for you. So it helps you edit in natural language. It lets you write code using instructions or update entire classes or functions with a simple prompt. You can see it. Helps you build software faster. So it's intelligent, fast, and familiar. Cursor is the best way to code with AI. You want to see more features? Click here. What it has is that it's frontier intelligence, powered by a mix of purpose-built and frontier models. Cursor is smart and fast. Feels familiar because it imports all your extensions, themes, and key bindings in one click. It has the privacy option. If you enable this mode, your code is never stored remotely. Cursor is SOC 2 certified. So you can see here hidden windows and kernel level folder proxies to let AI iterate on code without affecting the user. It is loved by world-class developers, engineers all around the world, which for Cursor by choice. You can see them. These are their testimonies. So what are you waiting for? Try it now. You can download it for free here. It's as simple as that.